We are going to start exercise 12.3. In this exercise we shall calculate areas of some combination of plane figures. We come across such type of combination of plane figures in our daily life and also in the form of some various interesting designs. So let's start this exercise 12.3 and see question number 1. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if PQ equal to 24 centimeter, PR equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. As you can see in this given figure, PQ equal to given 24 centimeter, PR is given 7 centimeter, O is center of the circle. So QR is diameter of the circle. We have to find area of the shaded region in this question, that we can find by calculating area of semicircle QPR minus area of triangle QPR. To find area of semicircle QPR we need radius. QR is diameter of the circle, so first let's calculate diameter QR, which will give us radius of the circle. Triangle QPR is right angle at P, so we can write angle P equal to 90 degrees, as triangle in a semicircle is a right triangle. Triangle in a semicircle is always a right angle triangle, so angle P 90 degree. Therefore, using Pythagoras theorem in triangle QPR, we can write QR square equal to PQ square plus PR square. This implies QR is equal to under root PQ square plus PR square. Let's put value of PQ and PR. 24 square plus 7 square, and this is equal to under root 576 plus 49, which is equal to under root 625. Square root of 625 is 25. So QR we have got 25 centimeter. So therefore radius of the circle whose center is O, radius R is equal to 25 by 2 centimeter. Now we will find area of the shaded region. Area of semicircle QPR minus area of triangle QPR. Area of semicircle we can calculate using formula half into pi r square. R we have found 25 by 2 centimeter, and area of triangle QPR, which is a right triangle, QR is hypotenuse, PQ and PR are the other two sides which are already at right angle. So one side can be taken base, one side other side can be taken perpendicular. Using half into base into height we can find area of triangle QPR. So let's write area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle QPR minus area of triangle QPR. This is equal to half into pi r square minus half into base into height. Base, let's take PR into height PQ, and this is equal to half into 22/7 into 25/2 whole square minus half into 7 into 24, and let's simplify this. Here this is equal to half into 22/7 into 625/4 minus half into 7 into 24. 212 times 24, 211 times 22, so 11 into 625/7 into 4, so this is equal to 6875/28 minus 7 into 12, 84. This is equal to 6875 minus 28 into 84, 2352/28. This is equal to, simplify numerator, we'll find 4523/28 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Number 2 is find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively, and angle AOC is equal to 40 degrees. In the given figure, O is center of the two concentric circles and angle AOC is given 40 degrees. Radii of two circles are given 7 cm and 14 cm. Area that we have to find, area of the shaded region is enclosed between two sectors AOC and BOD of the two concentric circles. So let R1 and R2 be the radii of the two concentric circles which are given 7 cm and 14 cm. So R1 equal to 7 cm and R2 14 cm. Angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD 40 degrees, and let's write this 40 degrees sector angle theta C. We have to find area of the shaded region which are enclosed between sectors of concentric circles AOC and BOD. AOC is sector of outer circle, BOD is sector of inner circle with center O, and radii 14 cm and 7 cm respectively. So area of shaded region equal to area of sector AOC minus area of sector BOD. This is equal to theta by 360 into pi R2 square area of sector AOC minus theta by 360 into pi R1 square. Let's take theta by 360 pi common, so we'll have R2 square minus R1 square in the bracket. Theta is sector angle which is same for both the sectors AOC and BOD of both the concentric circles. Now let's put value of theta, pi, R1, R2 in this expression. So 40 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 square minus 7 square. 40 by 360 if will cancel, we'll get 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into 14 square minus 7 square, either you square both the numbers, subtract and write here, otherwise we can use a square minus b square formula, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So let's apply formula, it is easier to use here. A plus b 14 plus 7 21 into a minus b 14 minus 7 7. This 7 cancel, 3 3 are 9, 3 7 are 21. So 22 into 7 equal to 154 divided by 3 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Question number 3 is find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. As figure is shown here, in this figure ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. APD and BPC are two semicircles. These two semicircles are having diameter equal to side of the square. So radius of these two semicircles are equal as their diameters are equal to 14 centimeter side of the square. So let's write side of square is 14 centimeter. APD and BPC are two semicircles with side of the square which is 14 centimeter, so radius of the semicircle. (14 divided by 2) 7 centimeter. 14 is diameter of both the semicircles, so their areas also will be equal. Area of shaded region equal to area of square minus area of semicircles. Area of square, side square minus 2 into area of one semicircle half pi r square, and there are two semicircles of the same area, so we have multiplied by 2. So this is equal to 14 square minus this 2 into half pi r square is ultimately pi r square. Both the semicircles together will form a complete circle of radius 7 centimeter. So 14 centimeter 196 minus 22 by 7 into radius of semicircle 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 22 into 7 154. So 196 minus 154 equal to 42 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Question number 4 is find the area of the shaded region in the given figure where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as center. In this given figure, O is center of the circular arc of radius 6 centimeter and OAB is an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter. We have to find area of this shaded region. You can see in this figure that portion of circular arc of radius 6 centimeter is shaded, and also full equilateral triangle OAB is also shaded. So let's first write radius of the circular arc. R is equal to 6 centimeter. And side of equilateral triangle 12 centimeter, and we are going to find out area of this shaded region. Area of shaded region we are going to find equal to area of triangle OAB plus area of full circle with center O and radius 6 centimeter minus area of sector OCD. Because if you find area of triangle plus area of circle, this area of sector OCD is added 2 times. So once we need to subtract area of sector OCD from area of equilateral triangle OAB plus area of circle with center O and radius 6 centimeter. So area of equilateral triangle plus area of circle minus area of sector OCD will be area of shaded region. And angle COD, which is sector angle, let it be theta, equal to 60 degree because O is vertex of equilateral triangle OAB. So angle AOB will be equal to 60 degree as an angle of triangle equilateral triangle OAB. So this angle COD, which will be sector angle for sector OCD, 60 degrees we have written. Area of shaded region equal to, area of equilateral triangle OAB, formula is √3/4 into side square for area of an equilateral triangle. So triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle, so this formula we are using, √3/4 into side square plus pi r square, area of circle with center O and radius 6 centimeter, minus area of sector OCD. This is equal to √3/4 into side 12 square. So into 12 into 12 plus pi r square, let it be pi r square, minus area of this sector OCD, theta by 360 into pi r square. We are going to use, that is 60 degrees divided by 360 into pi r square, theta by 360 into pi r square. This is equal to, simplify this part, 4 3 are 12, 3 into 12 36 √3 plus pi r square minus 60 by 360, 1/6 pi r square. Pi r square minus pi r square, if you simplify taking LCM, you will get 5/6 pi r square. So this is equal to 36 √3 plus 5/6 pi r square. This pi r square minus 1/6 pi r square, we have written 5/6 pi r square. Now let's put value of r. So 36 √3 plus 5/6 into 22/7 into radius of the sector will be equal to radius of the circle, and that is equal to 6. So radius 6 into 6, that is 6 square. This 6 get cancelled. 5 into 22, 110 into 6, 660 divided by 7. So this is equal to 36 √3 plus 660 divided by 7 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Question number 5 is, from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. In this given figure, from 4 corners of the square ABCD of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of radius diameter 2 centimeter is cut from the middle of the square as shown in this figure. We have to find area of the remaining portion of the square. So let's write side of the square, that is given 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, radius of quadrant let it be denoted by R, given 1 centimeter. And you can see in the figure, diameter of the circle which is cut from the middle of the square is 2 centimeter. So radius of the square, radius of the circle that is cut from the middle of the square is also 1 centimeter. So radius of circle are 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter, diameter by divided by 2, radius 1 centimeter. So 4 quadrants of radius 1 centimeter cut from 4 corners, and 1 circle is cut of radius 1 centimeter from the middle of the square. We have to find area of remaining portion of the square. So therefore area of remaining portion is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants plus area of circle. This is equal to area of square, side square, formula we can use side square, minus area of 4 quadrants. So 4 into area of 1 quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square, plus area of circle cut from the middle of the square pi r square. For quadrant and circle both, we are using r for radius because their values are same. Radius of the 4 quadrants and radius of the circle cut from the middle of the square both are same, so we are using symbol r for their radius. So 4 square minus here pi r square plus pi r square. This 4 will get cancelled. So 16 minus 2 pi r square. 16 minus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 1 square. 16 minus 44 by 7, and if you take LCM, 7 into 68 minus 44, 7 into 16 minus 44 will be 68 by 7 centimeter square, and this is the answer.